Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to sync your Govee light bulbs together. So basically here in this video, we're already in the forum of your Govee and here in the support, and here we are here to find out if you can actually do that. So there's already an answer for this since 2021, and yes, when you actually buy them for the same category and the same model, and you're going to be able to actually control this pretty simply together. So the first thing is go to your my device page. So right here, device. So I only have a picture because I don't really have the bulbs itself. So for them, you want to press the plus button right here. This plus button. From there, you want to actually just go and select all the general category, same model or RGB class. Name the group, then drop down, then add your smart bulbs, which are this. And they will all sync up in one time where you can actually sync them to turn on, off, or you can actually customize it to your own liking. So they must have the same connection and connectivity. And if they're not the same model and they're not the same compatibility, it's not gonna work. Such as this, you have light 1 and 2, which are actually the same models, but light 3 and 4 are actually not the same models. They're different models right here. That's why this user right here in Reddit was not able to actually connect them together. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.